What's up, class? Evans here. I've got a tablet here to try and make these parts with you. I'm going to start with subtraction. So I'm going to use my tablet to see if that helps some of you. You're going to put the class period, whatever class period you have, if it's first period or seventh period, you're going to put that number, and then you're going to put your initials. To start off, I have a few basic controls. If I put my finger down and move it, I can rotate it. If I put two fingers down, I could zoom in and out. If I put two fingers down, I can also slide it around too. That's called panning. I can slide it around, move in and out, and one finger does rotation. And then if I get myself all turned around, I can use this view tube to get me back to they're calling this move trimetric. Instead of isometric, they're calling it trimetric because it's tilted in a certain angle. All right, so I'm going to create a sketch to make that part that you can see in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to choose the front view as the place that I want to draw on. I'm going to click on front here so that I'm looking at it straight on, and I'm going to use the corner rectangle tool. Oh, that didn't work very well. Good thing there's an undo button. I'm going to click here and then click here. Nope. Try that again. There we go. I think let me hit undo. I think I know what I did wrong there and I want to point it out. See how it says select a sketch plane? That's what it was wanting me to do the whole time. I was trying to see if I could find a way to delete that. I'll have to look that up later for you guys. So I'm going to click on this center point and then I'm going to click out here somewhere. Then I need to place some dimensions, and you're looking for this dimension tool here. I'm going to click on a line and it pops out somewhere. It gives me a little number pad that needs to be 2, and then click here and that needs to be 3. I think you can actually click and move. Yeah, if you get off of dimensions, you can click and move them around if you don't like where they're situated. All right, so now I'm going to do a check mark and a 3D extrude of that shape. I want it to go out 2 inches. I want to look at this at the trimetric view so I can see it in 3 dimensions. All right, now I'm going to create a sketch on this front plane. And I'm going to use my corner rectangle. Look at it from the front view. So I want to get that very corner there and click over here. So I have to do 2 clicks. It's not like with a computer where I can click and like drag out. So it's a little different. I don't quite like that, but that's the way they have it oriented. And then I'm going to click the dimension tool. That I want to be 2. And this one I want to be 1. And I'm going to click off of the dimension tool, and it just kind of bugs me that they're crossing each other, so I'm going to move them. And then I'm going to hit the check mark, and then I'm going to make that 3D extrude. Actually, let me hit X, and let me rotate this in a 3D view. Any one of the 3D view ones are fine. I'm going to click extrude, click on that. Now, see how it's going out? I want it to actually go in like I have on my shape there. And I I want it to be not an add, but a remove, and not blind, but through the whole thing. Which I think through next also works, up to next or something. But that's fine. So there. And next step would be to cut straight down. So we want to create a sketch here. We're going to do a corner rectangle, but let me look at it from the top view. So I'm going to click on the corner there and then click somewhere out here. Let's get our dimensions. One and two. I'm going to click the dimension tool off and then just move these, not crisscrossing. I don't know why it does that. That really bugs me. That's just me though. All right, and I'm going to extrude this, but if you notice it selected half of my sketch. So let me select the other half there. And I want it to not be add, but remove. It would have looked better if I did this in a 3D move. Let me see if I can. There we go. Just rotate it. So it's going down only 1 inch. I need to go through 2 inches or just put through all. So it goes through the entire part. And there we go. All right, so there is, oh, look at that. That's another thing I didn't think about, rotating. I did 2 fingers and just turn. So this is rotation, zoom in and out, pan, and rotate with a center point at the origin. All right, those are all useful tools for the tablet. I wanted to do it on the tablet because I've been doing videos for you on the computer and I don't know how well it relates. So you can jump over to the next one and I'll do addition for you.